Oh, look at that poor smart car. The whole front end smashed in. I wonder if they can just lift the engines in the front, I guess. Oh, he's dropping off another car too. I was wondering, I don't know if they do that kind of work on cars, or is that just the hood is open? I can't tell. Yeah, maybe that is just the hood open. It looked like it was in an accident. I couldn't imagine getting an accident, a smart car. But yeah, I guess he's dropping off that car right there, not the smart car. I used to think that would be fun to own, but they said it happens a lot of times. A group of unruly teenagers. I always blame the teenagers, but some people are probably their 20s or 30s. They all get on one side of one and turn it on its side, and so they spin it around like spin the bottle or something, like a bowl, spinning a coin, or spin around like a top. That's not very nice. I'm sure there's a good amount of jail time involved if you do that kind of thing. That's some serious vandalism. But anyway, yeah, I just saw that. I thought it had been in an accident, but I guess not. I'm at Pep Boys still.